another edition of Jay's Big Adventure. Jay's the fuzzy one, and today we are going to unbox and use our brand new ultrasonic cleaner. So over time, the average age of our projects has been getting older and older, and the parts that we're trying to clean are getting dirtier and dirtier. So we decided it was time to find a solution, pun intended, to get those parts clean. And what we've come up with is an ultrasonic cleaner. This thing vibrates at 40,000 hertz. You can use it for cleaning jewelry, you can use it for cleaning car parts, all kinds of good stuff. A little bit of soap solution or simple green, that sort of thing. Really does a good job. How good of a job? We're going to find out today. So let's unbox this and see what is inside. This one was pretty cheap. It's just over $100 US. Owner's manual. Yeah, like we're going to use that. The cleaner looks like this. This particular one holds 3 liters of cleaning solution. And it comes with this really nice little wire mesh case that now you can put in and take out for your parts. It is just a stainless steel container. There are no holes in it. Came with a power cord. It has the ability to warm the solution, which significantly increases the effectiveness. And then, of course, how long the ultrasonic function works. Typically 15-20 minutes, half an hour for really dirty parts. We're going to start at 10 minutes and check it out and see whether that is enough. But to do that, first of all, we're going to unwrap the lid, then we're going to find some solution, and then we're going to find some parts. So for starters, we're just going to add some water, and it holds 3 liters. I've got some warm tap water here. We're just going to add a little bit. And then this is just dish soap. Want something with just a little bit of cleaning power without it being too aggressive. What I don't want to do is add something caustic that's going to hurt the metal. So all we're going to do is fill it to the ridge. And this is our little wire mesh case that's going to hold the car parts. We're going to put that, see if that fits anywhere in particular. Seems like that better. It's got the carbs in, and then I'm going to place our float bowl that has all the nuts and bolts and screws and jets in it. Let's see if this will work. What you can see is that this doesn't completely cover the carbs. So I'm going to run it for 15 minutes or so, and then I'm just going to turn the carburetor over and do the other side. One more part. So this is the same cord as most computer monitors, televisions, and PCs. So that's really handy that it's the same plug. We'll plug that in. Turn this around. Get our lid. And I can see right now the lid has a hump in it for the handle hold. And that's not going to close. So I'm just going to run it upside down. Once this is plugged in, the system comes on and it's saying that the temperature of the liquid is 30 degrees. We've got it set for 39. I'm sorry. It is set for 30 degrees. It's already 38, but what I want is a warmer bath than that. So we're going to go up to 45 degrees Celsius, which is a little over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we're going to go up to, let's go 10 minutes and take a look. And now, counting down, I don't know if you can hear it, but it is a really high-pitched that's it. We'll come back in 10 minutes and check back. Okay, the timer is done. So let's take another look. Since I know that this is just soap, I'm not going to wear the gloves this time. You would definitely want to if you didn't know how caustic the fluid was. Okay, so the needle is significantly cleaner than it was. That's great. And that was really pretty covered up. It's super clean. All of these little parts are much, much better. There's still a little bit of discoloration, but the passages are completely clean. Very cool. So this jet still has just a little bit of gunk on it. I'll work on that manually, but it looks like we're ready to go. I'm going to reassemble the carburetor. We'll put it back on the bike. So, what have we learned from all of this? What we've learned is that ultrasonic cleaning as a concept is pretty cool. It really cleaned up this carburetor, okay? It's clean. The passages are clean. Okay, the gasket surface areas are clean. It really did a good job. I can't complain with the job that it did. The bowl is clean. All the parts are clean. So when I put this back together, it should actually run well, and it'll let me adjust the carburetors accurately because now all the passages are clean. Here's the problem. This is actually the second VivoHome cleaner that I purchased. Here's the first one. That one was dead on arrival. The difficulty is that I did not try that one out until after 30 days had passed. Got busy with a home remodeling project, didn't have time to work on the bike, plugged it in, and it was dead on arrival. The issue is with Amazon, if it's over 30 days, they say you got to contact the manufacturer, VivoHome, to get warranty work done. I have contacted them or tried to contact them multiple times. I have gotten no response. So this is the second one that I had to purchase. Okay, they're $119 a piece. I now have $250 in this program, and that is not worth 250 bucks. So if you're going to go with an ultrasonic cleaner, the process works great, and this was just with mild soapy water. There are much more aggressive chemicals that you can use if you've got really dirty parts. What I would not recommend is anything made by VivoHome. So that's it for this episode. Jay says thank you. Thanks for watching. Please share, please like, please subscribe, and look for another episode coming up soon.